Good day everyone, my name is Nicka Rivera and I'm here to teach you the easy way to use a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So first, we need to assemble our 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. First, we have here the suction, along with its cord. So for its cord, we need an adapter. And now we have here the dustbin. The dustbin is need to be attached here in our suction. As you can see, there's a sign. And now for the third part, we have here the tube and the floor brush. So the brush and the tube is attached to each other and the brush is rotatable. So now we need to attach these two to each other. Need to attach the tube and the floor brush to the suction and the dustbin. And now we have our 3-in-1 vacuum.